This is the NutriBullet Pro, the nutrient extracting powerhouse. Just load your ingredients into the cup, attach the NutriBullet extractor blade, place it onto the power base, and in an instant, the NutriBullet Pro breaks down and opens up the stems, seeds, and skins, giving you optimum nutrition in every smoothie. Then, just give it a quick rinse and you're ready to go again in seconds. The NutriBullet Pro's powerful 900-watt motor, combined with cyclonic action, forces everything into the extractor blade, breaking down even the toughest ingredients, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods. The NutriBullet Pro comes with the NutriBullet extractor blade, 2 colossal 32-ounce cups, and 2 flip-top to-go lids. So, whether you're looking to use nutrition to enhance your performance, give you that added boost in recovery, or just want to improve your overall health, transforming your life starts here. NutriBullet Pro.